morning, everybody. This is Miss Lena. So have a happy day today. Okay, I'm getting ready to read you my scripture for this morning, and I hope you all are having a blessed day, no matter where you are. Okay, coming from Luke 1, chapter 1, 30 and 31 verses. Okay, the angel sat. Don't be afraid, Mary. God is honoring you. You will conceive and give birth to a son, and you will name him Jesus. All right, Luke 1, 30 and 31. Thank you so much. Okay, I'm gonna make old-fashioned tea cakes right now, and during the time I was a little girl coming up, my aunts and my cousins and some other aunts and grandmothers and different relatives, they always liked making cookies at Christmas, and tea cakes was one of their special deals. I didn't like to watch them because it'd take too long to mess with it. So I just kind of plundered around and looked at it a little bit and kept walking. But I tell you what, when they were finished and ready, I was really ready to eat them, okay? So now, I hope you all that like the tea cakes, the old-fashioned tea cakes, will enjoy these tea cakes like I used to enjoy them when I was a little girl. And I'll be starting out with flour.
It's three and a half cups of flour.
All right. She's gonna run down what I'm gonna be putting in it. Then all I have to do is just start doing it.
Okay, flour is 3 and a half cups of flour, 1 and a half cup of sugar. Oh, let me turn the thing down. 1 cup of shortening. This is Crisco. 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons of heavy cream, 2 tablespoons of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. 2 teaspoons of baking soda. Baking powder. But why be getting baking soda and powder? So it's 1 and a half cup of sugar, 1 cup of vegetable shortening, which is Crisco, 2 large eggs at room temperature, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 tablespoon vanilla extract, 2 tablespoons of whipping cream, and 3 and a half cups all-purpose flour. Okay.
Okay, so I'll be putting in my shortening right now. I'm gonna have to stand up though. Okay. I'm gonna have to stand up, so I thought I could do it sitting down, but sometimes when you're a little short, it just kind of makes the chairs short, so I need to stand. Okay. All right, now I'll put that in the trash. All right, now we'll be adding. Where's my?
And that's 1 cup of shortening and 1 and a half cups of sugar.
Okay. So now I'll start reading it together. Okay. It's also room temperature, so I'm going to kind of break it up so the sugar won't be flashing too hard. Okay. It wasn't plugged in. Okay. I'm sorry, the bowl was just too small, and I had to change my bowl, so now you can see it. Nice mixer. This is a real nice big hand mixer, it's the hand. I just got this one from Aldi last week, and they had them on sale for, I think, $14.95. So if you need one, it's very heavy. The one that I had was lighter weight, but this one is really nice. Okay, like this, and if it's really nice, I like to let you know that, because I know everybody be looking for different things that you can buy. That's worth your money when it's very inexpensive, but I think it's a good quality. This will be the first time I've used this one, but I can tell it's a lot heavier than the ones that I've been buying, the single ones like this. Okay. Now I'm going to kind of put it in the center, and then I'll be adding one egg at a time.
Yeah, make sure it's fluffy.
So y'all can see that. Okay. All right. Okay, I'm going to add one egg at a time. All right, I'm sifting the flour. This is 2 cups of flour.
It's 3.5 cups of flour.
Oh, 3.5 cups, okay.
And she also added her baking powder, 2 teaspoons of baking powder to the flour.
Okay. All right, now I'm going to try to get all the rest of the flour in here if I can. Okay. All right. I like the good old-fashioned sifter. Okay, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract will go in right now. All right, now I will beat it just a little bit more. Wait just a second. Oh, I'm bad about not getting the tops on there good, so I'm going to set it right there, so I'm going to knock it down.
And that's 2 tablespoons of whipping cream.
All right.
Heavy whipping cream.
All this go in together, then I'm going to whip it a little bit more before I start putting in the flour. Okay. All right, so. I'm adding my flour now next. Okay. I'll add a little bit at a time. I'm doing it like this so it won't come all out of the bowl when I get started. So that's probably about half of it. So. Now I'll be putting the rest of it in. Everybody, I have to take these little. I'm supposed to have 24 tea cakes, and I'm supposed to put them, roll them in 1 inch, and place them on the cookie sheet 1 inch apart, 1 to 1.5 inches apart. Okay.
Yeah, you can make them whatever size you want. Some people might want them bigger, or you can make them whatever size you want.
Getting ready to put them in the oven, and I have a few of them on one end. It's a little larger than the others, so I'll be putting them in the oven for 10 minutes, and I'll bring them out. Just a second, just 10 minutes after now. Thank you. Right. This is the final touches of the tea cakes. All right, old-fashioned tea cakes, and I want you to see them. Now these are real nice. Now and the tea cakes, sometimes you can leave them on the lighter brown, or you can make them a darker brown. So I made some a little larger on a darker brown also. These which are still kind of hot, but anyway, I wanted to do 2 different ones so that you could see them. So either way that you would like to have them. Everybody don't like the lighter color things. Some people love some this little darker in color. I don't know why, but they do. I had a lot of aunts and uncles, and they didn't want theirs light. They wanted theirs as dark as I could get them, even almost burnt. They said they taste better to them. So this is what you have now. And I hope you all will enjoy these. And they are very good. And I want you to try, if you all like tea cakes, please try them. I tell you, they are off the chain and they're out of sight. When I say this is a good idea, and if you want to give someone a gift for Christmas and know how to do that, you've learned. We have the video. Watch it. Make it. Give it to them. Put it in a cookie jar or cookie can. And that will be either a beautiful little plate or tray. There are a lot of people that like these things. And maybe some of your church members or whatever, they would enjoy just a few old-time cookies, okay? And these old-time tea cakes. So try it. From Miss Lena's Kitchen, with all my love. And I sure thank you for watching. And have a very blessed day. Thank you so much. Miss Lena's Kitchen. Good old-fashioned tea cakes. We would open them up and let you see the tea cake on the inside. They are very delicious, and I guess I will take a bite of one. I am a little bit full, but I will take a bite for you guys, okay? If I tell you, you don't even have to chew. They melt in your mouth. And they are good. If I say they're off the chain, they're off the chain, baby. So they're good. So thank you. I had to come back. Now you see on the inside. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.